If you don't know who you're marketing to, they will never find you.
Thank you.
How can people find you on Instagram? Oh, shoot. So as far as Instagram story goes, I think it's really important to do a scene setter, like where you are so people can contextualize what you're doing, and then talk about why they should finish watching your 3 to 4 other stories in that. So number 1, a place setter. Number 2, what they're gonna get from it. Number 3, a personal insight. And you don't always have to be doing them as talking heads. You could actually just be like, hey guys, I'm in Newport Beach. The next slide could be a picture of the beach and what they could expect from the video. You can come back on the video and say, okay, so I'm here, I'm gonna be shooting some videos, I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes. Excuse me. I'm just gonna rent some space at a co-working spot here in Newport Beach called Hana House. And you can rent the hour, the day. And so because I'm gonna go in with my videographer, because I'm gonna catch up with emails, drink a cup of coffee, I'm just gonna make a reservation for the open seating, but I don't wanna wait in line. So I'm gonna save some time by booking right now. So when I arrive, I could just walk straight in. And by the way, this is no plug for Hana House. I'm not getting paid. This is just where I like to work. What should I make it time for 1?
Straight there.
So 1?
Get it for.
I should get it for all of us. So we have our reservation, we're good. Hold on, babe, hold on. Oh, yes. Are you getting my dirty car or what? This is the best coffee shop in, legitimately, my favorite coffee shop like ever. It's called Blue Bottle. It's located inside Hana House. I mean, it's like literally, it's like a siren at sea calling for the pirates. Hey homie, how you doing? Good. Yes, we'll have them all here.
The cookie, the more cookie.
Great. I was actually talking about the bag.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, cool.
Awesome. Yeah, we're wondering when.
I'm here and I work.
Okay.
And so I'll make sure and give a link out to what we are doing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so this place is in Newport Beach. It used to be like an old bank, and all this down here is like co-working space. And you can rent out private offices upstairs, but like there's a fireplace, there's a smell of like amazing coffee in the air. Come outside real quick. You have to these are the views, okay? So this right here is all part of Hana House, and you get views of the water as you work. So now what I'm gonna do, I've taken the picture, it's actually a boomerang, so we get a little bit of ripples in the water, and I'm going to geotag my location because I want my story to be discovered by other people working in the same co-working space. And you know, maybe if you didn't know me before, you might know me now. So I'm gonna geotag Hana House, and I'm gonna set the scene so people know exactly where I'm at. Then what I would do is maybe I would have a 2-camera story letting people know why they should even care about the story to begin with. So in this case, I will do it in selfie mode. Maybe I'll add a little bit of filter. Okay, so this is awkward doing a story, but it's all good. Hi friends, I'm here at a co-working space. I'm gonna be filming a video on the importance of getting out of your normal workspace, and I'm gonna take you guys behind the scene and share 3 of my favorite tips. Okay, so there's probably a few of you who are watching this video and you're like, I don't use Instagram stories, I really don't get it. Who cares that I'm working at a coffee shop? Friends, the importance of Instagram stories are like you're making micro commercials about your business without having to sell your business. So what do stories do? They help keep your business on the top of people's minds, right? Like they're scrolling through stories and they come across your business and you're behind the scenes in your bakery, you know, frosting a cake, or you're out as a jewelry designer out at Fashion Week in New York. What happens is that when people see a behind the scenes sneak peek of your business, you're being social on social media, you're not selling on social media. That is the power of stories. Oh my God, have you tried your coffee, Aisha? Okay, so now I have it. My videographer said, hey, what would you do for stories that would be a little bit more your style? I would likely do a boomerang, but because I work with JD and my business partner, this is a great opportunity for us to do like a boomerang with us toasting with our glasses and then say like our productivity power juice as we work today. He gets much fancier drinks. He gets much fancier snacks.
Oh man.
Yes.
I'm talking to Kirsten about, oh, here's yours, dude, look at this.
That is a fancy peanut butter and jelly sandwich, son. That's how we roll out here.
Got it. I know, seriously, this is the fanciest PB&J.
Hey, Babosh, can you come here for a second? We're gonna do an Instagram story. Yes!
Okay, I like that. I don't
That's
care.
fine.
Dude.
That's fine. So, as a note, personal preference, to each their own. I don't like to put boomerang after boomerang. I like to break up my boomerangs by either a static photo or a video. So in this case, story number 1 was a scene setter. I'm at Hana House in Newport Beach. Scene number 2 was, hey, this is what we're doing, a behind the scenes sneak peek of us creating content. Number 3, a little bit of a boomerang to showcase who I'm with. My business partner, my best friend, my high school sweetheart. We're gonna move into our 4th story on Instagram. This is gonna be where I'm gonna share 3 helpful tips. Now, I could just type out the tips on stories, or I actually could take a picture of the venue I'm working, so then I could tag the venue, I could geotag it, I can give helpful content, and get my story discovered along the way. Mic drop. Hana House in my Instagram story, because I hope that they will repurpose this story on their feed, introducing me to their audience. Let's see. We'll see if they do.
They're amazing, man. Cortados. No. Here they call it a vault, which is the name of the actual glass.